Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel Health and Wellness. Today's episode is a special one because we're diving deep into the world of stomach health. Our stomach is like the engine of our body, and just like any engine, it needs the right fuel to function at its best. So, today, I'm excited to share with you the top 6 foods that can boost your stomach health and keep your digestive system in top-notch condition. Let's get started. Number 1. Yogurt. Our first contender is a superstar in the world of digestive health yogurt. Packed with probiotics, yogurt promotes the growth of good bacteria in your gut. These beneficial bacteria help maintain a healthy balance, aiding digestion and absorption of nutrients. Plus, it's a delicious and versatile addition to your daily diet. Whether you prefer it with fruits or as a base for smoothies, yogurt is a stomach-friendly treat. Number 2. Ginger. This humble root has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. Ginger helps soothe digestive discomfort, reduces inflammation, and promotes overall gut health. You can enjoy it in various forms as a tea, in your cooking, or even as a refreshing ginger shot. Your stomach will thank you. Number 3. Oats. These whole grains are a fantastic source of soluble fiber, which aids in digestion and helps regulate bowel movements. Oats also act as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. Start your day with a hearty bowl of oatmeal, and you'll be setting the stage for a happy and healthy stomach. Number 4. Papaya. Papaya bursting with enzymes like papain. Papaya helps break down proteins in the stomach, making digestion more efficient. It's also rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Adding papaya to your diet can support a healthy digestive system and keep your stomach feeling light and satisfied. Number 5. Peppermint. This herb has a natural calming effect on the digestive tract, reducing symptoms of indigestion and bloating. You can enjoy peppermint as a tea or incorporate it into your meals. It's a delightful way to support your stomach and maintain a happy gut. Number 6. Fatty fish. Last but certainly not least, we have fatty fish. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fish like salmon and mackerel have anti-inflammatory properties that benefit the entire digestive system. These healthy fats help lubricate the digestive tract and reduce inflammation, promoting a smoother digestive process. So, don't shy away from including fatty fish in your diet for a stomach that's in top-notch condition. And there you have it, the top 6 foods for stomach health. Remember, a healthy stomach is a happy stomach, and incorporating these delicious and nutritious foods into your diet can make a world of difference. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.